Welcome to WebStarPlus. How to add notifications to React app. Go to npm.js and search for React Hot Toast. Click on this package. It's a lightweight and fully customizable toaster that checks all the boxes. Install it using this command, npm I React Hot Toast. Then import it inside the app like this. Then use toaster inside JSX like this. Here position can be top left, top center, top right, bottom left, bottom center, bottom right. And here is how we can fire a success notification toast. I will use a button to fire it. On click notify success. Notify success is a function that we use to customize this toast for success message. It's using toast.success method that takes message text. Let's test it. Here is our button. Clicking it fires up this notification. It goes away after a few seconds. Similarly, this is the button to fire error notification toast. This is the function notify error that is using a method toast.error with error message text. And also here's the button to fire a loading toast. If you want to show loading state, you can create a loading notification like this. This is the function notify loading. It uses toast.loading method to show this text that is loading. You can specify the time duration and then apply custom styles to it to match your color theme. Let's test it. So this is success toast. This is error toast. And this is loading toast. Success notification shows a green check. Error notification shows cross. Loading toast shows loading notification. Look how smooth this is. Notifications disappear after a few seconds. And by the way, everything is customizable. You can create a custom toast as well. This is the button to fire that toast. Function is notify custom. And here is that function, notify custom. Here we can apply some styles to the text. And we also created button with our own styles to dismiss notification toast by using toast.dismiss method. T is a parameter that represents the toast object returned by React Hot Toast when this custom toast is created. This object T contains information about the specific toast instance, including its unique ID that we are targeting to dismiss the toast. Let's test it. This is the custom toast with the dismiss button. Let's create a promise-based toast. I'm creating a function with the name notify promise. And here is that function notify promise. React Hot Toast can handle asynchronous actions with visual feedback. That is a common scenario in many applications. The toast.promise function is used to manage notifications across the different states of an asynchronous process, such as loading, success, or error. Promises are essential in handling asynchronous tasks, such as API requests like fetching data or submitting a form, file uploads or downloads, data processing, or any time-consuming operation. When you are performing an action that takes time to complete, a promise helps represent that action and its result, whether it succeeds or fails. In our example, the promise represents a process that takes 2 seconds and randomly succeeds or fails. During this time, we use toast.promise to provide real-time feedback. While the promise is pending, a loading state shows the message processing. If the promise resolves or succeeds, it will update the toast to complete it successfully. If the promise rejects or fails, it will show the error message. There was an error. Using a promise allows you to give users dynamic feedback for any process that does not complete instantly, enhancing the user experience with clear real-time status updates. So this package can handle promise-based notifications effectively. And here is how it works. Promise toast. There was an error. Let's try again. Completed successfully. Its documentation is also easy to follow. Install it using yarn or npm. Basic usage. Toast API. You can provide toast options as the second argument. Creating a toast is straightforward. Success toast, error toast, toast.error, toast.custom, toast.loading, promise-based toast. You can programmatically dismiss toast by using toast.dismiss, like we did in our example. You can remove toast. You can update an existing toast. You can prevent duplicate toast. We've got a toaster component that can render all toasts. It provides a toast bar component as well. You can use toaster hook that provides a headless system that will manage the notification state for you. It's got use toaster store hook that gives you access to the internal toaster state. Very useful package. So, okay. I hope you liked this tutorial. Give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.